in a hotel. This break, we got a trade scrolling in the bottom right. If your team's not correct in the bottom right, let me know. That's my final list. This is 2017 Panini Donruss Optic, 20 packs of 4 cards apiece, total of 80 cards and 2 autographs. Yesterday we had 2 kind of weak boxes, then we got a Ben and Timby autograph. Today, this box is actually from that same case and on the same place. Our doctor's appointment in Houston. I got you. I was thinking maybe you're going to say you're at the Nationals. I'm going to be a little jealous, but we got to travel for doctors in St. Louis often. Usually just drive back or drive there and drive home. It's 4 hours. 5 or 6 hours the way we drive with the baby. Sometimes we got hour stops. Change them, let them get loose. Starting to sleep less in the car, and it gets noisy in the back seat. Mark, you're supposed to have all the good teams, huh? So Jason Butcher's Yankees. I'll move them over to Mark Wilkerson. And then the Red Sox, Patrick O'Malley has them, but I'll move them to Mark Wilkerson. Who else? Let's move the Dodgers. Robert Rossi doesn't need the Dodgers. We'll give those to Mark Wilkerson. Is that good enough, or you need more, Mark? Chad has the Astros. Did I reverse that trade? I think I did the trade twice. I think I did it and then redid it. Chad's got the Astros. Justin has the Cardinals and Brewers. Okay. Nothing, Patrick. I was just kidding. Mark was joking that he had all the good teams. So I joked with him that I was just going to go put the Red Sox and Yankees and Dodgers in his name. I'm updating a trade here between Justin and Chad. Alright, let's go do that. Sorry we didn't get that Inception randomized. I've forced myself to be more strict on payments because I was at the point where I was trusting a lot of people to pay me later, and some of the breaks I was doing 3 to 5 people paying me later, and by the end of the night there would be 8 to 10 sometimes, and then 3 to 5 of them would forget, and it started really adding up to where I wasn't able to reinvest what I'd like to, because I like to buy the boxes online. I can get a better price and pass on a better price to you, and that requires me to have a good budget so I can keep the boxes coming in, because I have to wait 3 days, 4 days to get them. Alright, let's get these cards out. Yeah, teams on the bottom right. Patrick, I got you. Diamondbacks, Red Sox, Tigers, Pirates, Blue Jays. Matt wants a Joey Votto 1 of 1. They have a special name for that in Donruss. Instead of a super fractor, it would be a super optic Super Prism, Mega Prism. Panini, you're gonna have to pay me money if you steal my turn there. You can't use Mega Prism. That is my, darn it. I'm sorry about that. Rockies, David Dahl, Fallen. This pack right here won't release the cards. Yeah, Patrick, totally kidding. You got your 5 teams. Like I was saying, they're in the post, and they're scrolling bottom right. So, have not changed. And welcome to the breaks. Good luck. Good luck, everybody. All right, let's get a regular pile and a top-loaded pile, and let's go. Lucky Bets, Boston Red Sox, Prism, Tyler Glasnow, Pirates, the rookies. Chris Carter, Milwaukee, this one is orange or bronze. Numbered out of 199. That one for the Brewers. Chris Sale, Red Sox Diamond King. Adalberto Mejia, rated rookie Prism for the Twins. Paul Goldschmidt for the Diamondbacks is a Prism. Gregory Polanco, Pirates. Jorge Alfaro, rookie for the Phillies. Todd Frazier, White Sox. Alex Dickerson, Padres. This one, God, I feel stupid not naming it. Gold or bronze, or orange, out of 199 for the Padres. David Paulino for the Astros is our first hit. A rookie autograph. And they were traded, weren't they? Yeah, going to Chad Cole. He gets David Paulino. It's a Aqua Optic. I did learn that one's called Aqua. Numbered out of 125. A lot of colors so far. I wonder if this is a color hot box. All right, Miguel Sano, Twins, Diamond King. David Dahl, Rockies, rookie. Kevin Kiermaier, Rays. Christian Yelich, Marlins, Prism, Diamond King. Justin Verlander, Diamond Kings. That one is orange, bronze. Numbered out of 99. What are these colors? This one seems like it has a lot of color. We got the aqua, orange, blue, red, Carolina blue, black, gold, green, gold vinyl. Wow, that's a lot of colors. These freaking cats are fighting. What did I say? Orange. We're looking at, those are orange, the optics, or the prisms. Matt Kemp, Braves. Trey Turner, Nationals, the Elite Series. Troy Tulowitzki, Diamond Kings. This one out of 299 is Aqua. Gregory Polanco, Pirates, Diamond King. Edwin Encarnacion, Indians. Giancarlo Stanton, Marlins. Noah Syndergaard, Diamond Kings for the Mets. That one, Aqua Prism out of 299. Chris with a K, Davis Athletics. Buster Posey, Giants Prism. Clint Frazier, Yankees. That one, the Prospects. Eric Hosmer for the Royals is that Carolina blue there? I think it is. Numbered out of 50. That's a pretty card. Who's that one going to? Jason E. Butcher. Jason, if you're going to be looking to sell it, think of me. I'll buy it without you even having to handle it. Paul Goldschmidt. Diamondbacks, depending on the price. I don't know how much those go. Yadier Molina, Cardinals. Braden Shipley, Diamondbacks, rookie Prism. Michael Franco, Phillies. This one looks to be, I forgot again, orange. out of 199. I think we got a color hot box. Pretty sure this one is a box with a whole bunch of color. Usually the boxes aren't like this. I think someone said there are 2 per case, the hot boxes. Joe Musgrove, rookie. Astros, Trey Turner, Nationals, Mike Trout, Diamond King, Prism Angels, Nolan Arenado, Rockies. This one, orange, and is 199, numbered out of 199. Rookie, Teoscar Hernandez, Astros, Justin Verlander, Tigers. This is definitely a color hot box. Giants Prism. This one is also baby blue, numbered out of 50. Brandon Belt for the Giants. Our next autograph is Carson Fulmer for the White Sox. On-card autograph. This one, my teams are all messed up. Going to John Filbert. 2 autographs. I've heard and mentioned of there being more autographs in some boxes. We'll hold out hope, but I'm not going to be too hopeful. Rookie auto Carson Fulmer with the White Sox. Robinson Cano, Diamond Kings, Mariners, D. Gordon, Marlins. Yohan Moncada, White Sox, Prism, rookie. Tyler Glasnow, rookie, orange prism for the Pirates out of 199. Alex Bregman, rookie for the Astros. Ryan Braun, prism for the Brewers. Joey Votto, Reds, Dominator. This next one is Carlos Gonzalez, Rockies, orange prism out of 199. Nolan Arenado for the Rockies is a Diamond King. Frank Thomas, White Sox. And Jose Altuve for the Houston Astros is a blue prism. That one numbered out of 149. These all-star inserts come pretty much 1 per box. So to get one a prism and a good player, that's a cool card. Kenta Maeda, Dodgers. Looks aqua. It is. Numbered out of 299. Rougned Odor, Rangers, Diamond King. George Springer, Astros. Alex Reyes, Cardinals, rookie, prism. Salvador Perez for the Royals, a blue prism. Jason, I'd buy both. Numbered out of 149. Pretty cards. David Paulino, Astros, rookie. I might have lost comments. I haven't seen comments in a while. You guys should be excited. Hot box. My video freeze. I gotta make sure you guys are still here. Everything's freezing on my end. Hopefully the video is coming through. Okay. Alright, I see the comments now. I had to get this fresh feed here. Yeah, I missed some of these comments here. Missed a lot of these comments. Alright, let's go back. Start going through them again. Duke Stoddard, Dodgers, prism. Just want to know that my video's working. If something happens, I want to see you shouting. Mike Mussina, Yankees, Masters of the Game. Francisco Lindor, Indians, orange prism. That one out of 199. Salvador Perez, Diamond Kings for the Royals. Chris Bryant, Cubs. Diamond King, Troy Tulowitzki, prism for the Blue Jays. Robinson Cano, Mariners prism. That one numbered out of 149 as the royal blue or the blue prism. Christian Arroyo, rookie for the Giants. Jose De Leon, rookie, Rays. Michael Fulmer, Tigers. Noah Syndergaard, Diamond King for the Mets is a prism. Josh Bell, Pirates, rookie, is a blue prism out of 149. Nick Markakis, Braves. Freddie Freeman, also Braves. That one a prism. Chris with a K. Davis for the Athletics out of 149. Man, this box is going to make me do a lot of top loaders. I know that. Good box. Alright, last stack here. I don't think we're going to get more than the 2 autographs. Tyler Glasnow, Pirates, a rookie. Jay Bruce, Mets, Prism. Aaron Judge, Yankees. There you go. It's a Prism. It'd be cool if it was colored, but better than a base. Masahiro Tanaka, Yankees. This one in orange Prism out of 199. Gavin Caccini, a rookie for the Mets. Nolan Ryan, Prism, of Rangers. And we got 2 of the All-Star cards. This one, Salvador Perez for the Royals. David Paulino, blue Prism for the Astros out of 149. And Mickey Mantle, Diamond Kings, finishing up the box. Great box. The autographs, they leave some to the imagination. But along with that card I just put, we're top loading over half of the box. And this, I top load the better Diamond Kings, all the numbered cards. I'll go ahead and top load all the Prisms. That's just how I roll. 6,000 top loaders, you didn't count them. I'll go through them too. I don't back down from top loading cards. If we use a whole pack, that's an extra $3 on the box. I don't see why not, depending on the size of the top loader. I need to get more. Actually, I got through a ton. David Paulino, Astros, Aqua, autograph, Prism, and Carson Fulmer for the White Sox, a rookie on card auto. Those are the 2 hits. All right. Nice break. Congrats. Let's go see about randomizing Inception.